Now, we have to find the series. The given question is that S7, so the sum of the first 7 terms, and S9, so the sum of the first 9 terms, are given like this. Basically, this equation is given. So S9 over S7 is equal to 18 over 11. And A7 is equal to 20. So the 7th term is 20. And we have to find the series. And basically, we'll write down the series in something like this. This is basically the way that you'll write a series, and in this format. So we'll find the first 3 terms of the series and write them down like this, and the dot 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 in front of it. So, well, you've been given this, and you remember the formula that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So S9 will become 9 by 2 into 2a1 plus 9 minus 1 into d. 9 minus 1 will become 8. So that is what you did here. You replace S9 with this formula equivalent, and replace S7 with its formula equivalent as well, which will be this. Now, the 2's here will be cancelled out because, well, obviously they'll be cancelled out. And the remaining terms will be written down like this. And so you'll cross multiply them now. So you'll multiply 11 with this term expression, and you'll multiply 18 with this expression. So this is what you'll get. And when you expand it, you'll get this. And upon further simplification, you get this equation. And when you divide both of these sides by 9, 0 divided by 9 will remain 0. And when you divide this left hand side by 9, you get 3a1 minus 2d. 27 divided by 3 divided by 9 is equal to 3, and 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So this is equation 1. So it is also given to us that a7 is equal to 20. And we can write a7 down in its arithmetic progression formula, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So a1 is a1, an is given to us as 20, and basically that is a7. So n is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 becomes 6. And we do not have d, so we'll have to find it. So this equation is now given to you. And when you basically take 6d to the right hand side, that becomes 20 minus 60. So a1 is equal to 20 minus 60. And then you'll plug that into equation 1, which is this equation. You replace a1 with 20 minus 60. When you do that, you get this equation. And when you solve it, you find the value of d as 3. Now, when you put d is equal to 3 in equation 1, which is this equation, 3a1 minus 2d is equal to 0. So equation 1 is equal to 3a1 minus 2d is equal to 0. And when you plug the value of d over here, you can find the value of a1, which is 2. Now, you find the second term, a2, which is a1 plus d, and that gives you 5. The third term is a1 plus 2d, and that will give you 8. So now you have the first 3 terms of this series. And so the required series is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus dot 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 dot. Now this is the answer.